Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see question formation in German in a very simple way. Okay, so you will easily get it through this video. So we'll start. Now, what is question formation in German? So basically, you just have to switch the position of subject and conjugated verb, right? In a simple sentence, usually in a simple German sentence, verb comes at the second place mostly. But here, in this case, in question formation, the verb will come at the first place in a sentence. Okay, for example, we'll see. Suppose there is a sentence, du isst, meaning you eat. Du isst, I-double-S-T. Now this becomes ist du when we form a question. It becomes ist du. So what is happening? The verb is coming at the first place and then the subject. So what is the key point of question formation? First verb, then subject, and then rest of the sentence. Okay, clear? So now there are types of questions in German language. So first type is yes or no, yes no question. Meaning, sometimes when we ask question, the answer of that question will be either yes or no. Ja oder nein. Now, for example, suppose you are asking one question. Trinkst du Kaffee? Meaning, do you drink coffee? Trinkst du Kaffee? Now again here the verb is coming at the first place. So answer of this question will be either yes or no. So this is called as yes or no type of question. Then the next one is W questions. Okay, in this case, some words starts with W. These are called as W words or W question words. There is a separate video on this W question words on my channel. You can go and watch. I'll give the link in the description box. You can surely you can watch that. So now in this case, there are some W words starts with W obviously. Those comes at the beginning. For example, suppose you want to ask someone, what are you doing? So in German it will be was machst du? Okay, in this case, W word will come at the first place, then the verb and then the subject, right? Was machst du? So these are the types of questions in German, and this is formation of question. Okay, in German language. I hope this is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.